Okay, we're gonna make a video about ringtones.
Really?
Alright, yeah. Alright, this is the ringtone number 1.
Right now,
Oh yeah.
I can still remember when I've been working my way back.
Alright, and here's ringtone number 2. Alright, let me do another one. Hey!
Sorry.
Ringtone number 3. There's a guy. Alright. Go, ringtone number 4.
Your mama's calling back for no real reason but just to chat. She'll waste your minutes talking about the cat or about how dad has gotten fat. Well, I picked up. Don't pick up the phone. She's your mama. Don't pick up the phone.
Okay. Now Prince's next one.
Wait, was that number 4? 5? Right, let's see. That's okay. Oh yeah, this is for all those Mexicans out there. Oh yeah.
Okay, here's my actual ringtone.
Okay.
If you like video games, it's amazing.
I have one that will pose. Here's another one. I got it. Oh yeah.
Is it saying you've got me?
You've got mail. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, here I have
The last one.
The last one.
The last song.
It's peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time.
Where do you like get all
There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Peanut butter jelly,
Okay,
peanut
and
butter jelly.
stop. Vote for the best one.
You can either vote for mine, my best, or Prince's
okay.
retarded ones.
I got those for free.
I got mine for $1 each, so mine costs money. So buy it.
You mean vote?
Well, you know what? Matt Fincher actually sent them to me. So.
Okay, so just leave a comment.
And guess what? I'm sure.